Hello, and welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to disable the double back tap feature on your iPhone. Back tap is a relatively new feature that allows you to perform various actions by simply tapping the back of your iPhone. While it's a nifty feature, it's understandable if you're not a fan and want to turn it off. I'll guide you through the steps to do just that. First, let's start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. You'll recognize it by the icon of a person on a blue background. This section is dedicated to features that enhance the usability of your iPhone. Next, in the Accessibility menu, find and tap on Touch. Inside the Touch settings, you'll see several options, but what we're looking for is towards the bottom. Scroll down until you find the back tap section and tap on it. In the back tap settings, you have two options, double tap and triple tap. These allow you to assign actions to either a double or triple tap on the back of your iPhone. To disable the double tap feature, tap on double tap. You'll see a list of actions that can be performed with this gesture. To turn off double tap, scroll to the top of the list and select None. This setting ensures that nothing happens when you double tap the back of your iPhone. Repeat the same process for triple tap. If you also want to disable that feature, select None for triple tap as well. It's worth noting that sometimes the iPhone might struggle to distinguish between a double tap and a triple tap. However, when performed correctly, it's a great feature. By setting both double tap and triple tap to none, you effectively disable the back tap feature entirely. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the double back tap feature on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to disable double back tap on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, peace.